I just wanted to say one more thing. You applauded us for helping patients for free, but that's been an incredible reward for me as a physician to be able to do that. And I wouldn't trade it for anything. But part of this journey, working with Pete and others, for me, has been discovering that there's so many good people. And we talked about regulation, whatever difficulties and whatever cynicism that I have. But regular people that I've met are just incredible with their generosity and their willingness to help. And so I would invite everyone just to become part of this community. If we don't stand up to these bigger forces, we're going to lose. This is probably the last battle. If we can't defend our own shit, there's not much left after that.
And so I'd like to say three kind of closing comments around that. Number one, if you know anybody who is interested in FMT or is sick or needs help, please send them our way. Send them to Achieving Cures Together. We are happy to connect with some of the doctors that we know, point them in the direction of clinicaltrials.gov. So we'd love to be a resource with that. Number two, to spread this with word of mouth as well. You all know a lot of people, and as Dr. Khoruts talked about us being kind of that little seedling, that is how Achieving Cures Together has grown. It has been through our networks, through people. We've got a long ways to go, but that is powerful. And then last but not least, if you feel the generous call to give, we certainly do appreciate that. We entrust, you entrust us with your funding. We are very cautious of how that is being used. We're very proud of how it's being used. And it truly is bridging that gap between the big pharma, the heavily regulated industry, if you will, and the patients. And as we bridge that gap and we help save lives, it is coming on the backs of each and every one of you. So thank you in that. If you are interested in donating, you can donate through our website. Talk with Christy. She has different resources on that as well. So we thank you, everybody, for that. And thank you again for being here tonight.